Welcome back to sunny Brighton. We are back on site today, halfway through the project. In this room here, the guys are foaming the edge of the room, ready for the latex to flow through each floor, ready for then the wood flooring to be put on and run through both rooms. Coming into the kitchen, there's a wall here. The builders have taken out the wall, but then found the ceiling rafters above was all rotted, and we had to put in a steel that goes into the wall, which has now lifted the ceiling up, which we can now have one height all the way through.
Hello, Adam here from Yo. I'm stood here in the Brighton Kitchen, conceived in London by amazing designer Scott, being born in the Devon workshop. Let's take a look around. So this isn't quite how it will sit in its home. This is where it will be, but this section here will actually be opposite here. A little bit about the fronts on this kitchen. We've used Alpi veneer on this, beautiful Italian veneer. But one of the main features on this kitchen, which runs all the way through, is this metal detailing. This detail, the design of this is basically inspired by the architecture of the Brighton project, which is very much Art Deco era. The way that we do our detailing is actually we use an aluminium T-bar. We groove out the door, and then the T-section of that then sticks in, like so. And then all of this will then be sent off to be liquid metal coated in an antique brass finish. As with all of our projects, we fully assemble them to a finished point in the workshop. So this kitchen is now at a point where we can quality control it. So we'll check that every nut and bolt and screw and light fitting and cable is in the right place, tick it off, give it the all clear, it then gets disassembled, ready for finishing, and then we'll be off the site in a couple of weeks.
We have come upstairs, we're in the master bedroom. As you can see, we've had to make a step here. This is because we've had to level this floor. As you can see with the window sill over there, the floor's level and that's obviously original, so quite a big difference. The guys at the moment are fitting the pocket door and it'll slide from here into the wall. It'll create the same opening as there, so when it's open you can see right through, you can see how much light it's letting in, it's lovely. Inside the master wardrobe we've got units either side. On the walls, again, both sides and the back panels will be cedar of Lebanon wood. Smells beautiful, and this is to keep moths off your clothes and to stop them eating it and making holes in your clothes.